Hey guys, I'm back just for a quick little video here this morning. It's about 29 degrees here in Elkridge, Maryland, and just getting up here and trying to warm up. A nice cup of Medagliadora coffee here, and just kind of wanted to apologize for the video that I just recently posted. The sound was not the best sound quality. I was driving down the road and my headset for some reason won't cancel any of the noise when I am trying to record on my phone through it. So I'm working at fixing that, and of course I won't be doing any other videos while I'm driving down the road for now until I get that fixed. But just had to get that video posted out there still because I was in a good mood when I recorded it, and just needed to get it out there. So, but in the future I won't be posting any more videos like that. Because I hate when I watch videos and I cannot hear the sound, so I try to review things. We tried to edit the sound as best we could, and it was a whole lot better than it was, but like I said, I won't be putting any other videos like that out there with that kind of sound quality, but just had to get that one out there. So don't think that my channel is going to be one of them crappy channels where you can't ever hear or see anything. Alright guys, well, I'm going to move on with my coffee here, and you guys have a good day today.